What's up, guys? Welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you celebrity tea at its best each and every day. Now, in today's video, we are talking about Londie, who is a South African influencer and also a musician. So, Londie had a performance that she was doing recently, and she graced the stage with a live performance, guys, which left her fans somewhat disappointed. So this was just so unexpected, and it was a turnout of events that came out as a surprise to many, especially considering her previous success in the entertainment industry. Right now, it can be a bit difficult to transition from recording on at the studio and also performing on stage. So people are just not having it. Her fans are just not having it. They are saying that the voice did not match the sound, or somewhat they were so disappointed. In this performance, she was performing her latest single called Temba with a collaboration with DJ Maporisa. But fans were so eager to see that performance, but no, like they were so complaining, they were not having it. They also said on the comment section that someone needs to be honest with her. There is no way that this is what we are here for. That's all I have for today. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Comment down below what you think of this matter.